How to edit a screenshot on your Mac using the built-in tools, no apps required. Let's get started. Step 1. Take a screenshot. To take a screenshot on Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 4 to capture a selected area, or Command plus Shift plus 3 for the full screen. A thumbnail will appear in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Click the thumbnail quickly. When the screenshot pops up on the bottom right, click it immediately. This opens the editing window. Step 3. Use the markup tools. Now you'll see the markup toolbar at the top. You can draw, highlight, add shapes, add text, add signature, adjust thickness and colors, crop the image. Everything you need is right there. Step 4. Crop the screenshot. To crop, click the crop icon on the right side. Drag the handles to select the area you want to keep. Click Done. Step 5. Add text or annotations. Want to label something? Click the Text tool T, type your text, and drag it anywhere. You can change font, size, and color too. Step 6. Save the edited screenshot. When you're done, click Done to save it, or click Share if you want to send it directly through messages, mail, or AirDrop. Like and subscribe more Techyiofix tips.